Okay, so we are back in Grifflands. And I believe we have to now choose. Oh, we just got infected by a parasite that might kill us someday, probably soon. And I was gonna go to Felamo. So information has changed things, right? The bread rebellions or whatever the hell they were, the bread field rebellions, were caused by us, although they failed. So now I don't know which side we want to play. Right now we're doing both, right? So let's go see Felamo. See what he's got. Hello, Felamo. Well, look who it is. Guess what?
Tionashir.
So, shall we begin? I imagine there's a great deal of work to be done yet, undermining the enemy. Ah, yes, no time like the present, eh? Supervised learning. We need to teach a new enforcer how to fight. 50% reward bonus, yeah, because he loves me. And I get a grab from a random grow, 195 shields. Automechs are cheap to use once they're built, but they're damn expensive to build. Each one has to be meticulously pieced together from salvage tech from the bog and then programmed to follow commands. The techs in the field tell me that they've got a plan to make that second part quicker and easier. But they need someone with some fighting expertise. Alright, I accept. Go pick up an automech at the factory and take it to the proving grounds out in the bog. The technician there will tell you what to do next. Alright. Supervised learning. As you enter the automech factory, dozens of half-completed automechs turn their sensors towards you. A harried-looking administrator walks over to you. By the way, supervised learning is a type of machine learning algorithms. You know, unsupervised, supervised, and what the hell was the third one? Reinforcement. Yeah, you can tell I'm an engineering student. This area is off limits. What are you doing here? Pelamo sent me. I'm supposed to help train some automechs. Oh, you're the guinea pig. I mean, grifter. Oh. It's about time you got here. So what do you need me to do? I've got 2 models ready for the proving ground out in the bog. Just pick one and take them there. The technician will show you what to do. Ask about the training process. I don't know much about the automechs. How am I supposed to train one? It's easier than you'd expect. When you get to the proving ground, our technician will turn on learning mode. Then you just have to show it how to fight. They learn by example. So I need to fight it? No, of course not. That would teach it how to take a beating, which is the opposite of what we want. You'll be fighting against some training dummy. It will watch and hopefully learn. Ask about the results. What if the automech doesn't catch on? It takes a couple of sessions sometimes. So long as the field technician is happy with your effort, you'll get paid. Alright, what about ENF 301A? That's a pretty standard model we just assembled. I don't foresee any issues with that one, should be straightforward. What about B? That one has been to the proving ground like 3 times now, and each time it actually got worse at fighting. I dialed its violence inhibitors way back. It might work, or it might go amok, or just shut down again. Honestly, I'd be grateful to get it out of my hands. If it comes back again, we're gonna have to bust it on for scrap. I'll take that one. Through likes it. Really looking for a challenge. I have to thank you. This thing has been a pain in my side for months. Yeah, and she will give me. She's give me another one. Shock cannon. Add bonus damage equal to 20% of target's health. Exert. Stir out of 1 use. Oh, spark cannon. Whatever. I set it to follow you to the proving ground. Try to be discreet. It won't be any use to you in a fight. Follow mode on. Wipe. The automech locks sensors on you and starts to follow. Alright. Well, we gotta take it all the way here. Supervised learning. To the proving ground. Rise, step out of the bushes, brandishing weapons. Tell that thing to stop walking. I have a proposition for you, Griffin. You're taking the automech to the barren proving ground, are you not? Let me make a couple of adjustments to it first. Or you could try to stop us, but I wouldn't recommend it. Defend yourself, scare him away, or allow him to modify. Ask about modifications. What kind of modification are you proposing? Nothing visible from the outside, just a little something to clarify its allegiances. Shouldn't affect you unless you stand between it and a spark barrel. I don't know. I am getting paid by both sides. This is like kind of a choice, right? Which side should I play for? The admiralty or the rise? You know what? Let's test my this deck. He will dislike me. Well, you know what? Let's not worry about that. Allow him.
Shutenshiza.
Alright, dude. Good choice. Neko opens an access panel on the back of Wipe and tinkers with the internals of what feels like an eternity. There, it's done. Now just keep your mouth shut about it and we'll have no problems. Nico signals to his companions, they melt back into the box. Internal modification detected. Let's keep that between the two of us. Alright. And let's continue. You find the proving ground. Automech parts litter the ground around Technician, who is adjusting some equipment. Some demoralized Rise members mill about in a makeshift jail guarded by a couple barons. The Technician looks up as you approach. Have you bought me a new mech? Loop detected. Oh no, not this one again. I told those pencil pushers back at the factory that this one's untrainable. Why do they keep wasting my time? Let's get over with, I guess. See those Rise over there? I'm going to release them and you're going to fight them. The automech will observe, and if you do your job right, it'll learn a thing or two. You ready? You want me to attack unarmed captives? No, of course not. We're going to give them their weapons back first. It has to be a fight, not a massacre, or the automech won't learn anything. Refuse to participate or fight them. No, I'll fight them. A job's a job, I suppose. That's the spirit. Alright, you Rise, come. If you can get through this grifter, you can go free. Hickwit retreats behind a blast shield and presses a button. The bars of the prisoner's box recede, releasing the Rise prisoners. They grab their weapons and charge at you. Kill the grifter. Oh, they got hit by 2 agents. They're not hitting me. I wouldn't recommend it. So, which one of you guys first? There you go. And shot. And this. Concentration. Concentration. And recharge may do much damage. That's fine. Both guns defending. They're both defending. Now I'm getting hit for a lot. Keep it low and use your dips to listen. I mean, defending for what? 3 now we'll do it. I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4. So getting 3 will give me 5, 6, 7 defense. You know what? Sure, it's only 1. Then with your nice kick, lead ball, rally low, increase morale. I yield lumen bomb. Apply to impair hits on enemies. So, then impaired. And I will hunker down. Get blasted. Wounded, defend, rallying, loading. He surrendered. That's nice. Also, we got a Cloud Fog Bird. Alright, Cloud Fog Bird. I'll do this as well. Destroy the defense. Bunker down. That protects me. Then blast me. Go. Ball. Beat punctures. Oh, you know what? Right. Start blasting. Spend up to 2 charge, deal 3 bonus damage per charge. Or spend 1 charge, deal 6 bonus. Isn't this just better? Yeah. And 2, draw a card, empty. This cost 1 less. Yes. Cost less if empty. Empty, attack twice. Gain 1 charge. Yeah, let's go clean open. Oh, what? The fight is over. You turn to wipe as it processes the result. Training complete. Wow, you really taught this rust bucket how to fight. Target acquired. What? Wipe powers up its weapons and opens fire on the barrels. Help the automech. Attack. Hit trick will dislike you. Defend the barrels. Watch the fight. I will defend the barrels and earn their trust. Let's do this. What the hell? Oh yeah, you have to hit him 4 times. So I'll spend 1 charge. There you go. Then we'll attack twice because I'm empty. Oh, man. There you go, he's stunned. Power, intimidate, defending. I am moving back to Demon Bomb. With a kick. And it's finished. Level 2, Automech Blaster, and a battle card. Yeah, we'll go. Oh, dugout. Apply 10 defense, gain 1 wide open. Cannot gain defense. No. Sucker punch. What the hell just happened? I've never seen one of the automechs malfunction that way. Was it acting strangely when you picked it up at the factory? Did anything happen on the way here? Make up an excuse or walk away. He will hate me. No, make up an excuse. I didn't notice anything untoward. Yep, I have a piece. One I have this. Take this and take this. How much am I getting hit for? 4. Take this as well. There you go. Yo, 10 damage if I take his name. It will become 11 next turn, dude. Pretty amazing. Anyway, what is this? What's the people? Oh, well. Don't destroy that. I am the voice of the people. Get your name added to the list. And there you go. I'll do max damage with this. Even though I should have done this, but I want to upgrade it. 3 damage, 2 damage. Oh, you took my conductor. Do I look like I care? What the hell? What? Each hostility card gives him composure. Wow, I don't like that. What is this? This argument destroyed all cards even though Rook's hand. Rook gains 1 to the rook. I don't really want those anyway. So, Foul match. We're done. No, he's not hitting me. Oh wait, he was hitting me. What? Oh wait, come on, man. Steal 2 cards every turn and hold them hostage. Promoted Tickery. Incept to Flustered. There you go. 1/1/1. Decide to call ahead. Protect my influence. Apply 3 composure. What is this? When the fragment destroyed, gain 1 rebellion. Yeah, I don't really care about that. Gain influence. Gain 1 bonus damage. Let's do some
Molto da te.
There you go, and we'll end our turn.
Pekosuna.
So I'm fine. You can take as many cards as you want. One gamble is dead.
Una sorsa.
There you go. Goodbye. I win. All opponent arguments? Yes. Give me head.
¿Quién nos sí?
I guess these things just happen sometimes.
Sé.
Thanks for the protection. You're not bad for a grifter. Leaves you to pick through the tools. And he loves me. Thinks you saved them from a malfunctioning automech. Oh, come on. Torpor field again. That's fine. Look at all of these. Like 7 people love me this time. Jakes, Jake Lifter, Civilian Laborer, Spark Barons, Regional Manager, Jakes, okay well. And we have, oh, this is our coins, there are guns, there are drafts. Drafts? Back. Talk to a comfort to see you again. Report on the training exercise.
Shutsona.
The automech malfunctioned and attacked. It was put down before it could cause too much damage. Not again. I'm starting to wonder about the workers at the factory. I'm gonna have to order some interrogators to root out rice sympathizers. Not your fault though. Here's your pay. 195 shields and a graft. Gain 3 concentration. Gain charge. Rig 2 snails. Lightning rod. Reduce the cost of random card. Oh yeah, this I have this. You know what? Give me concentration. Easy listen. Thanks for coming here first. If you need a little help getting things done out there, you can talk to my quartermaster over there about hiring some automats.
Shilmiso?
No.
Sure.
Looking for. I can buy an auto dog, but I can only have 1 pet. Or I can get a shimmer. I don't want to destroy cards though. Summon an auto dog to fight for you the rest of this battle. Ooh. The countdown has been initiated. Ah. Interesting. Benawan, no.
Pocotia.
No. Well met, no. Working both sides. Go to labor office. Alright, hello, Kalandra. Hello again. Do some dirty work.
Tipatawa.
What next?
Kashiape.
Right back at it, huh? You are a professional. Ambush Predator, another graft. Moving some spark through the bog at night. Go help a rice cell capture it. The
Sahasuna.
banners move spark through the bog at night, thinking that darkness protects them.
Shusatyo.
It does not. We are the bog.
Shotosa.
One of our cells is ready to strike, but they are down a fighter. We'll make sure they succeed. Alright. We'll do just that. Ambush Predator, provisions. No, Ambush Predator. You find the ambush spot in the rice cell that's waiting there. Intruder detected. Oh, it's one of the rice copy.
Is it Papo?
Wait, who is that?
Detusha.
Kalandra sent me. Said you need some help.
Papiako.
Oh man, do I ever. We're a bit understaffed here. Ido just as at a fellow Rise member's corpse stuffed unceremoniously behind a bush. Ask about the corpse.
Piatopu.
What happened to your friend?
Susatake.
We weren't friends. I barely knew him.
Sukuse.
He was trying to adjust a cobblebot here and it went off.
Tuanasike.
The robot killed him.
Tolsias
I'm not sure
Fusia.
these things are worth the trouble. Ask about the robot.
Salsito.
Where did you get the robot?
Galina
We
Takor.
liberated it from the last patrol that we hit.
Papiako.
It mostly works.
Pakiashu.
Until it goes off and kills someone.
Tiakatote.
Like I said, it mostly works. Ask about the ambush.
Kakiate.
What are we ambushing here?
Kishes Holme.
Probably just a couple of barons. They keep the transport caravan small to avoid attention.
Tionashe.
Any chance we can resolve it without a fight?
Pacantity.
Probably not. There's a bounty on us rise, so they're going to be gunning for that once they see us. Okay, start it.
Sushuaki.
Let's finish this. Finish it.
Sakapatia.
Oh, be careful what you say around this thing. You hide and wait for your target. It doesn't take long.
Pushaka.
Something's not right here. Select all. Destroy.
Susatake.
Drop the loot and reach for the sky, Baron.
Kesi Almena.
And why should we do that? I think we can handle the likes of you. Intimidate Frash, he will dislike me. And attack them, in which case he will dislike me. Well, we'll intimidate him first.
Sia Shopa.
I'd do what he says if I were you. You point out the rice corpse.
Pakiashu.
The last person to cross him off didn't get off light. We got a bunch of intimidates. Your pet's bladder
Shoma?
pulses. Just listen. Got the conductor. What is he doing? Hitting me for 4. So I have improvised trickery. Take conductor with you. Gamble. What has been? I don't know. Take this. Take this as well. Give me some better cards. Nice. Apply composure for free.
Mercure.
I'll do that. I'll add it into this.
Napo.
And I'll jabber.
Delta.
Get some more influence. What is this? Draw 1 additional card every second turn. Rabble Rouse. 3 damage, 2 damage. I mean, I like Voice the People. Yeah, he's being super intimidating. Tall pleasantries and intimidate has been taken away. Yo, come on. Gain 1 bonus damage. I don't have a way to defend this thing. Well, we'll hit him with a limited gun. That gives them extra defense. Now it won't. And now we'll burn. Hit him for 6. This is 3.
Ça pourrait chaud. Tu n'as
Get us our cards back. And now take a bunch of damage. Well, 1 damage. Oh no! Look at that. Pick negotiation card. Another head strike. Initials. Do what they say. The barons unload the spark they were carrying. Now let us go, right? That's part of the deal. They have seen our faces. We have to finish them off. That's hard. It is, but it has to be done. Let Iho kill the survivors. Kill them yourself. Iho will like me. Or convince him to let the survivors go. I can kill them myself to make Iho like me. Although then killing them will make other people hate me. I'll convince him to let the survivors go. We don't have to do that, do we? Maybe having a couple of friends on the other side is worth the risk. Yep, now I'm happy.
Bon action.
So are these guys. Okay, what's happening to me? 4 damage. Yeah, I have 4. So you can take these away. Take this one away as well. And take this one away. Stem. What does this do anyway? Increase the cost of a random card in my hand. Burn. First of all, go. Protect my dog. What is this? Oh. The first card. I should have done this then. What am I doing? Oh, I should have done this then. What am I? I should have done 12 damage twice. Maybe added his name to the list twice. There you go. I'm powered up. Gamble 5 times. No. Oh, this guy's gonna be easy. The Baron is done. Gain 1 dominance. And again. There you go. Goodbye. Discard a card. Snag. What? Why would I do this? Not your lucky day. Bottom snare. Discard this card, draw 1 card and gain 1. What? Give me money. Maybe you're right. I won't forget this. Thank you. I hope you don't end up regretting that. I'll clean up. You can go. Pash is indifferent towards you. Yeah. Let's not kill anyone. Alright, let's head back to... Oh, this is HQ. We're back to civilians. Nah. Hello, Rook. Thrilla. Buy rise equipment. It's all enemies impaired.
Shimano.
Hey, well, can't do anything.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll head up to the black market. We have lots of money. Polka the swap. Black market crafts. Negotiation craft. Rig 2 snails. Composure cards apply additional composure. The first time you gamble and get snails, a random card in your hand costs 1 less until the end of your turn. Reset at the start of your turn. It's subtle, but the coin thing does feel good in your hand, doesn't it? Yes, I will purchase this for 280.
Dashanta.
Battle crafts. You can get Regic. Discard Okay, yeah, so like what I have. I will also add
Mais pas quoi? Tiens-moi
more
aussi.
slot in negotiation or battle slot. 130 shills or battle slot is more. We'll go for negotiation, grab.
Cos'è eso?
You want a single little? 15
Mais pas
HP?
quoi?
Good as new. There you go. So we got another slot as well. We're done. Open the map and let's head over to Ambush Territory. We were successful. Hello, Commander. What brings you back? Ambush was a success.
Shekepuna.
The ambush was a success. You get paid 105 shills and a graft reward. Your allies receive 2 power. You start the battle, discard up to 2 cards. Gain 2 power, start the battle, lose 2 power the first time you take enemy damage. Yes, I will take a rugged wiring. Done. Anything else? Just hey. And she likes me. Okay. This smuggler has a reputation for negotiating steep fees for his services. Perhaps the origin of the Hawaiian phrase, coughing up the cash. Can convince him to eject someone or check. This laborer rubbed his elbows like it's been 10 years since they ran out of grease. Out in the chill of night, best cover your neck and not for fear of catching the cold. I don't know what that is. Open map. Limited time. Krog wants to join you. Friend in trouble. Your friend Hikrit in trouble. My friend, so he likes me, right? Hikrit. No. Loves me? Yeah, Hikrit is one of the guys. There he is. He gives me another torpor feed. And I can get Krog. Wants to join me. Krog is just Jake's dog hand. I mean, we'll go and save our friend. 1 extra card getting max experience is pretty good. We find Hikrit under GT's heel, looking 1 blow away from the worst day of her life. GT. GT. Yibit Samubal. Does GT like me or love me? Which one of that is? GT. No. We have no relations with GT. Alright. Save him. You make enough of a racket to draw GT's attention and Hikrit looks up at you with wide eyes.
Katia.
This has nothing to do with you. Grifters, stay out of it. Attack GT or convince her to leave. Let's convince her. I'm afraid it does. See, Hikrit is my friend. Yeah, you pick and pull. Rap. Conductor and influence. So I'm gonna hit for 4. 13 names on the list. Look at this. But not 13 names on the list. 13 damage. And we don't have any more. Take away burn as well. Assertive grumble. Sure, keep that. Ah, there you go. Apply for composure. This is free. Pleasantry. Yes. Take aim. 13 damage and add a name to the list. Oh, I should have done this. Call it. That's fine. Oh, it's sticky. That's fine. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Oh, this thing is doing damage to me only, right? Nope. He's gone. Jabber for influence. Oh, my influence is getting hit. Doesn't matter, you're dead. One or two negotiation cards. Gain 1 influence. You step off now and be content with the beating you gave her. Otherwise, fine. But remember this secret. Remember, I would have killed you without a second thought. Stalks off into the shadows as you help pick it to her feet. Thanks, Rook. You actually saved my skin there. Least I could do. Come on, let's get you somewhere safe. You take Hikrit to shelter and after dressing her wounds, get back on the road. Didn't really give me anything, but sure. And my drop point. My dead drop. Okay. You arrive at the drop point, this time without ambush. You jot quickly in a bird scratch, only you and a few others understand, detailing what you've learned of the rise in the spark barrels. You file your report and you find a message left by your counterpart on the other side of the wall. Bandit babysitter. Help an acolyte of Hesh retrieve stolen goods from a spree encampment. The printed instructions read, documents that are embarrassing to the cult of Hesh have been stolen and are currently in the possession of an exiled spree raiding party operating in the bog. Make contact with Alta, cult of Hesh a cult priest in the region, and coordinate to recover the documents. Battle and negotiation. Accept. Alright, where is that? Bandit babysitter. He's at the last stand. Alright. Oh, but before that, a stranger approaches you, foolish of them given your track record so far.
Supikina.
Hail, soldier, you seem like the type who needs to spend their metal.
Shutenshisa.
I wasn't aware I had any.
Champusha.
Humility looks good on you, but we both know it's only skin deep. Ask about
Capiel.
metal. I've heard of this, a sort of head religion, yes?
Somakaso.
It's more than quaint superstition, friend. Metal is a force to be reckoned with.
Kanatiko.
Great deeds and greater purposes draw metal to you, and some will trade handsomely for it once gathered.
Sushua Ki.
I see, fortune favors the bold, as they say.
Shalpasuta.
Here, find this shrine and see for yourself. Ludrack pulls out a map and points to a location that is seemingly just a cave.
Sutukotia.
And take this to get you started here. You will soon see what I mean. 5 metal. Leave Ludrack. She's a metal bender. We'll go see what she's got for him anyway. It's her shop, right?
Syoheshe.
You again?
Totashe.
What kind of scam are you running here, friend?
Sodete.
No scam, I swear.
Sokotipia.
I am just here to help you be the best, be your best with the power of metal. Ask
Tuatonte.
about metal.
Syoheshe.
So what is this metal anyway?
Tapotesua.
It's the measure of how much you applied yourself.
Shalpasuta.
In this life and all previous ones.
Totashe.
What do you mean previous ones?
Kopokinaso.
You don't know, do you?
Patsuka.
Well, I'm not going to spoil it for you, Griff.
Satatun.
Maybe someday you'll figure it out. How do I get metal?
Salsito.
Santa
Metal will
Mosa.
find you if you're worthy. If you see an
Shishopama.
opportunity, seize it.
Tipatua.
Can I just buy it from you?
Pemesho.
Of course. Ask about
Capiel.
flourishes. What is a flourish?
Tesian Po.
It's an advanced technique,
Atiako.
only usable under certain conditions.
Malkiwana.
You can't learn them in the usual way, but you never forget them once you know them.
Kapiesha.
Or
Kuna shoke.
Detusha.
unlock flourishes. I want to learn something new. Hits all enemies for 8. That's pretty good. Apply 8 burn. Or what about this one? For the next 2 turns, prepare a card after every time you play. Charge your coin until the end of this negotiation. Change your coin. For the next 2 turns, gamble once. After every card you play, discard a number of cards, draw that many cards. Gain 6 concentration, 10 defense. Spend all charge and gain charge until you are fully charged. Flourish. Gain charge until you are fully charged. Total focus. Yes. Total focus 2. Gain 10 concentration and 20 defense. So this is mainly for defense purposes.
Latiakoma.
Stop.
Sushua Ki.
I'll be back.
Satatun.
I know you will. How do I set up my flourishes anyway? I don't know. Anyway, we'll go to Bat Babysitter and then we'll end the mission. We'll end the episode, I think. Actually, let's talk to him first, I guess. Hello, Alta. Alta's the type who thinks the sky itself is proof of her faith because it hasn't fallen down yet.
Occasional.
Simply spreading the word of Hesh through the liberator's camaraderie of a swill hole. Join me. Share a drink or Alta will like you. Ask about the job.
Tuanasike.
You're Alta, I'm Rook. You paid for help.
Tiaminase.
I was hoping for something a little more
Panapuhu.
biased.
Dekosu.
I could let you work things out with Hesh personally if you prefer.
Kupelson.
No, Hesh's tentacles writhe in mysterious ways. Perhaps you are a ripple left by his passing.
Tipiapa.
That's a good thing. Ask for details.
Pakiashu.
So these documents.
Sunapota.
The Spree have the documents. They stole them and now they're hiding out in the bog, waiting for things to blow over.
Yatopu.
And now you want me to walk in there, guns blazing, to get them back? Don't you people have Luminari for that kind of thing? Specialized and well-trained enforcers.
Totianata.
No, I need to keep this quiet. Using the Luminari would invite questions that I don't want to answer.
Kenehe Pipona.
What I want you to do is distract the Spree leader, offer her a score that she can't refuse, and take them out of the encampment.
Kiona Piapa.
I'll sneak in and get the documents while you're out. Then we can meet back up for payment.
Kionashe.
What score should I offer? I'm an honest drifter, not some bandit.
Taki Pilshi.
I've arranged something. A merchant caravan has broken down on one of the bog's back roads. The cargo will get Spree's attention. Ask about the documents.
Kakiete.
So what's in these documents? The
Sakikasa.
contents are embarrassing, both to the cult generally and to me specifically.
Tashi's Hill.
But I am paying you for help, not questions. Ask about the caravan.
Hatashu.
You just happen to know of a caravan that has broken down nearby.
Shutenshisa.
That's suspiciously convenient timing.
Kenehe Pipona.
Cash provides when properly appeased.
Tashi's Hill.
And I may have used his tithe money to arrange for some light sabotage. Okay, let's go for the
Detusha.
bog. The bog it is then.
Sunapota.
Yes, go convince them of the score.
Totianata.
I'll follow you at a distance. If the Spree sees us together, the plan won't work. Alright. Let's start this. Let's go. You find the bandits where Alta said they would be. The leader Hiku hears your approach.
Coup du pied.
Who's there?
Shekepuna.
Just a simple grifter. I mean you no harm.
Hososhia.
How did you even find this place?
Tosaka.
I heard some big players from Murder Bay were in the box.
Mosakia.
My specialty lies in finding things that other people don't know about, and I'm good at my job.
Kosonta.
Which is why I sought you out. I have a proposition.
Tipa shoto.
We are big players. You have that part right.
Ketolko.
Well, spit it out then.
Pahepiona.
But if I don't like what I hear, I'll have you killed where you stand. Attack the entire camp. Oh god, it's a lot of people. Or convince you have a lead on a big squad.
Popieha.
There's a merchant caravan nearby, transporting bog goods to the gate.
Kuotapo.
It's lightly defended and it's stuck. We could take it if we work together. Here comes my dog. Conductor, care, defense, stem. It's got a hatch in 2 turns. Take conductor as well. I'll keep the rest. Okay. Rooted grumble. Burn for free. Sure. 5 damage for free. I always love that. Apply 3 composure. Rig 1. Sure, we'll do that.
Tuna salsa.
And then we do this. 6 damage. This. And then, I mean, we can try. You know what? Let's do it. Heads. Oh, I went to the wrong one. Well, whatever. Smack him real good. I mean, probably next turn I'll Where's my... Where's the thing? Gambles. There you go. My gambles always work. Apply composure. Let's so pure. 6 damage. And we are protected as well. Nice. I would still like the list.
Tout ma chance.
But I would like to put it in the list. Where is this list of mine? It's still coming up, huh? Draw a card, then prepare a card. Sure, prepare this card. I don't want to kill you this turn. What is it? I don't know, but I will. Oh, you're gonna die anyway. Oh, die. Pleasantries and 8. 1 to 6. Gamble, deal max damage. Rig 1. Gamble and deal max damage. And negotiation card. Your offer sounds good. Almost too good. I like good offers. We hit the caravan and split the loot 80-20. Deal? Of course. Lead the way. Me and my people will follow behind. You do the talking and we'll step in if we need to. Interesting, interesting. Let's do it. Hiku rounds up the troops and heads out. You play along. Alright. We will continue and attack the merchant caravan. Probably in the next episode. So, see you then.